Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and use PayPal on Airbnb. So it's pretty simple to do, it's not hard at all, but yeah, I'm going to show you in this video. So now you just want to go and choose where you're going to stay. So if you're browsing, let's say I want to stay here at this place here. I just want to click there, and now I want to go to reserve. Or you would want to actually, set the dates whenever you're staying. So if you're staying on the 20th and you want the checkout date and you're going to stay for like over a week, click that. And then now you want to choose how many guests, 1 adult, 2 adults. And if you have pets, you put the pets there. If you have any kids, children, and yeah, you just update all that information. And once you've done that, you just want to click reserve. And now to pay with PayPal, all you got to do is put your email in or sign up. And once you have signed up, you will get this option here, pay with, and now you want to click PayPal. So now you can use PayPal to pay for the service. And now you just click PayPal here. And now you want to put your email or your mobile number and click next, and then put your password and then click pay with PayPal. And once you've paid with PayPal, that is all done and set for you. So thank you